After receiving a strong sell signal on the Bitcoin 4-hour time frame, we are seeing a drop. Now, over the next couple of days, things may be looking to move down, but overall, I think we're still bullish. Now, before we get into the analysis, I have to show you this. We have 4 brand new trade wins. 3 of them actually won in less than 24 hours. So right here, Algo was called a few days ago. However, this right here, Matic, Mana down here, and if we scroll down, Sand were all called yesterday, and within 24 hours, all 3 had won. And this brings our scalping trade performance record to 15 wins, 0 losses with 0 trades pending. As the market drops back down, we will be looking for brand new trades for our members. But if we scroll down, I mean, check this out. It's absolutely insane what we've been able to accomplish here at Trade Confident. So if you're not a member yet and you want to get access to these trades, if you want to begin trading with us, you can find our membership links down in the description below. As a bonus, our members also have access to a brand new future forecast video posted this morning, April 14th. This is an extremely important video. Travis is going to show you multiple pieces of evidence that point to exactly where this bull run will most likely end. And if you don't exit some before this peak, you could be missing out on thousands worth of profit. You're going to want to take a look at this data. Again, links are in the description for the membership. Let's get into the analysis. Here we are on the TradeConfident.io website. I'm going to scroll down, take you straight to Bitcoin. Now, the Bitcoin Emotional Index has officially pushed into excited territory. It's actually stayed there over the last couple of days. And most often when we see an excited reading, or if we push even higher into greedy, this is where we're seeing drops in the market. So if not right now, I am expecting a small move down soon. If we scroll down here to the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector, you will see that Bitcoin is no longer in low volatility territory, and this comes after a major price jump. Relative to the rest of the scale, though, this is still kind of low on volatility, and with that, I am expecting some jagged movements before moving back up. As this happens, I think we will see higher and higher volatility readings. Checking out the Bitcoin smart money metric now, we are seeing that we still are in short trade sentiment. We're relatively close, but not quite at the negative 800 reading that we need in order to see strong moves down. Knowing that there is still short trade sentiment in the market. However, if it does move down, it's going to be a small one. Moving on now to the Bitcoin major support and resistance levels. There are no resistance levels on this chart. This shows we have been in a prolonged uptrend for quite some time now. The first structure support that we're looking at is 25,288, but I do not think we're going to drop that low before moving up. I think as of right now, this metric needs to catch up, and it may be a little bit before that happens. In fact, we may see structure support form right here pretty soon. Checking out the Bitcoin long versus short trades next, we are seeing an uptick in long trades with no movement in short trades. This is partially what contributed to this massive move up in Bitcoin. And last but not least, we are going to check out the Bitcoin daily trade scanner. Scrolling down here, we have not yet seen a sell signal or a strong sell signal on the 1-day time frame here. As soon as we do, though, we will be looking for that every single day, but as soon as we see a sell signal, that's when we're anticipating the next move down in Bitcoin. So you are going to want to stay updated on these metrics. As soon as that sell signal comes out, that's when we're looking for that move down. Now, if you want to get access to all of these metrics, if you want to get access to our absolutely killer trade setups and our members only future forecast videos, you can find the link to our membership down in the description below. Go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership will be the very first link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our membership page where you can scroll down here and grab the full access for $59 a month. This will include the metrics across all 20 coins, our members only content with future forecast videos, and Zoom coaching every single month. This is coming up pretty quick. You'll also get access to those 15 wins, 0 loss trade records, scalping trade calls, and many more features. So if you want to join us on our trades and check out those metrics and more, click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, let's check out the live charts. Now, just a quick shout out to Travis. This is a beautiful chart layout. He sent me this morning, and I'm really happy with how it looks. OG members will remember the trend dashboard up here, but if you're new, the trend dashboard is one of the indicators that is included in the bundle pack. This consolidates 6 major retail trader indicators: the RSI, the stochastic, the MACD, and the 50, 100, and 200 moving averages. If a triangle is green, that means that indicator is bullish. If it's red, that means that indicator is bearish. And moving forward, you will see this indicator alongside the TC top and bottom finder, price versus 1 money flow, and trend exhaustion that you're used to me using from now on. As of today, the price of Bitcoin retested $30,000 on the structure support, but has since moved back up. I do want to take you to the 15-minute time frame. Now, this is going to be a little bit of a taste of that future forecast video that I showed you. This is something that Travis posted today. Now, there is a lot more information, so you're going to want to watch that future forecast. But for now, we are seeing a head and shoulders pattern on the 15-minute time frame. You got the left shoulder here, you got the head right here, and you got the right shoulder and the subsequent move down. This head and shoulders pattern is what caused the slight dip in Bitcoin that we can see right here. It looks like we did test $30,000, but there is some potential to move all the way down to right about here, right around the $29,700 mark. So this intersection between $29,700 and, if we scroll out here, the new structure support, previous structure resistance on this broadening triangle pattern. Back on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the RSI and all moving averages are still bullish overall, with the stochastic and MACD looking slightly bearish. As of right now, price versus money flow shows money moving out of the market, but we are very near the bottom of its chart. Trend exhaustion is still in the middle of its chart moving down, and as it moves down and we see this drop right here, if the price versus money flow falls lower, and if we get a buy signal as we approach this area, these three will contribute to be one of the most bullish moves in crypto. And after that happens, after we test that double structure support right there, I think we could rebound and begin seeing a move all the way back up. And if we scroll out here, I'm actually gonna have to go to the 1-day time frame to see this, but we will be looking at structure resistance way back here, testing up here at $32,000. Now, I know it's not quite the very top of this, but whole numbers theory calls it $32,000 right there. On the 1-day time frame, while the trend exhaustion is still fairly high, price versus money flow shows that there is plenty of room to move up. And that's part of the reason why I think this move up to 32,000 after we drop right here first is likely. So you heard it here first, a drop to $29,700, followed by a rebound off of the structure support to move up to $32,000. This is what I'm looking for through the weekend and on into next week. Now you can get all 4 of these trade confident indicators and actually a total of 11 for $400 off right now. Let me show you how to do that. What you're going to want to do again is check the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the second link right here. Go ahead and click that. The link will bring you to our indicator page. What you're going to want to do to get the best possible deal with $400 off is to purchase the bundle pack first. This will include the trend exhaustion, price versus money flow, trend dashboard, and 5 other indicators for your use as well. On top of this, it'll include that $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder and its other indicator, the market reversal chart. Purchasing all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators using that $400 off coupon is actually cheaper than buying the TC top and bottom finder alone, so that will be your best possible deal. No matter what you get though, it is lifetime access for a one-time payment and you get full dedicated email support. So if you ever have any questions, please feel free to email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.